Do your task.
Hey! Little Lim, let's go grab our umbrellas.
Okay, for protection. This will be mine. Here you go, little Ivy. Okay, now.
Guys. By the way, this video was sponsored by nobody.
Nice joke. Okay, now, what's my task?
Just to know, viewers to know what these umbrellas for. If we open it, we can defend ourselves from the imposter for 10 seconds.
Good. Can I ask you one important question?
What?
Are you the imposter?
Maybe.
Emergency meeting. Just kidding. Okay. Oh, I have task over. Oh, I think you have task this. I think this is your task, and that is my task. Okay, type the code. The code is. Let's go. I did it.
Me too.
Okay. Now, wait. Where's our second task? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, our second task already.
My second task is the vending machine. You have to do your task.
No problem.
Oh, what you doing, baby girls?
Do my task.
Okay, so as you can see here, some books are not arranged properly. So I have to take all the books and put it around here. Put it here, squeeze it in to complete my task. This task is medium hard. I think this book cannot be squashed. Okay. Okay. Put it here. Okay. Oh! My bad, bro. Okay. So the last book right now is over here. Oh, let's go, task completed. Yes, sir.
I have the vending machine task. Guys, I'm alone. Suspicious, but I'm not imposter. Ooh, chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. Apple milk. It's actually not apple milk. Coconut milk. RIBENA milk. Nutri-grade C. Sweet. Camel peanuts. Corn toast. Or tortilla chips. Whatever that is.
Hello, little Eve. I just finished my book task.
Oh, and I'm still doing this. I still have
What
to...
are you buying in the vending machine? Are you like doing the Maria HQ the snacks that the thing on the paper?
What?
Oh.
I think I'm gonna buy the...
What the hell are you talking about?
Item not available. What the hell is right there? I'm actually done with my task, but I'm not done with my task, so what the hell?
Cox disable! Wait, it's among three of you who disabled the comms! Wait, who is it?
You trust me, you saw me do the task.
Oh yeah, ho. What about you? I
It
am.
might be him. He can do any task. He's been faking his task. He's a sus.
I've been doing my task.
We don't have enough evidence. Let's do the comms. The comms. Okay, the code is 040323. 040323. Let's go, the comms free.
Let's go.
Okay. Ah, the reactor.
Yeah.
Reactor. No, I'll do the reactor. The reactor.
Oh my god, it's a dead body! Oh, what the hell? Hey, where's Rishit? I have to call the emergency meeting.
I don't know who. I'm just gonna scare.
the creature and the hardship hand in hand. You bendy bender, bender express. You never work for him.
I'll be your guardian angel. Let me protect you for once. I'm protecting you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now who?
Oh no, electrical. It's everybody, let's go. Let's go.
I know you're the imposter.
I won't kill you, I will protect. How will I kill you? And if I'm the master, okay. Let's go! Lights. I lose.
What the hell? Where you go? The lights are off. I cannot see a thing.
He's shouting at you. You know it's him.
No, I know it's you.